Hey guys, so today I wanted to do just a quick, very accessible makeup look, something that you can do on the go, but I didn't want it to be like super boring. I wanted it to be pretty, but also like easy enough to achieve. So that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm using natural light, obviously. I'm filming on my phone. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So the products that I have in a little makeup bag. This one's from Nude Sticks. So it fills up about this much. So like, I don't know, kind of an easy, like if you keep a backpack in your car, or like if you bring a makeup bag to work or something like, or school, or I don't know. I haven't been in school or gone into an office in a long time. So hopefully this resonates with somebody. Yeah, it's not that many products or brushes. Should be pretty easy. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to do is just do a little bit of skin tone evening. This is the new Kosas Revealer Skin Improving Foundation with SPF 25. I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand. I didn't prime. I've got sunscreen on, the SkinCeuticals one that I was telling you about. So I'm just gonna pick this up with this is like a little like highlighter brush from Velour Cosmetics. I'm just gonna like really slowly buff this very lightly into my skin, because my sunscreen today, I used the untinted version of the SkinCeuticals sunscreen, and it definitely leaves a white cast. So this is the kind of thing, I hate using my fingers like to smooth on foundation, but if you like using your fingers, then like just go in that way, you know? Like you definitely, if you can eliminate a brush, you might as well eliminate a brush. No matter where you do your makeup, I always keep a paper towel so I can like wipe stuff off. And then sometimes I'll like go back into it, you know, like I'll pick up a little bit more. So for my concealer, this isn't like super travel friendly, I gotta say, but the new REM concealer, I really do like it. So I'm gonna use that. It's in this shade Fair 5W. Wait, is this the one I wanted? No, just kidding. Light 1WN. That's the one I wanted. And I do have a little brush for that. It's a Sigma brush. Again, if you don't need to do like detail work underneath your eyes, then like if it's just easy, if you have like a nice flat under eye, then like just use your fingers. And put a little bit of that around my nose. I'm not gonna really worry about spot concealing because I just want this to be quick. I just wanna do like a nice, like quick, like illusion creation of flawless skin, but I'm not gonna worry about like tiny individual spots. All right, I'm gonna do a little bit of bronzing. I have my NYX Wonder Stick in, what is this? Light something? Universal Light. So I'm gonna draw this on. And then I actually think I am gonna just blend this out with my fingers. Yeah, fuck it. The sunscreen that I used today, what I love about it is that it just creates like a really smooth base for makeup. So if you feel like your sunscreens end up pilling, or like it makes your skin too wet or too dry, sometimes like sunscreen can really make your makeup pull, you know? It's really good, I like it a lot. Ugh, I dropped my bag. For my jawline, because I just like can't not do it, I have that Julep eyeshadow, which I tried recently that somebody suggested to me. So I'm just gonna keep it right underneath my neck. And I'm just gonna use my finger to kind of blend it down in this area. Dude, what are they doing? I'm gonna put a little bit of that below and above my lip and just below my nose. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of that out here. For blush, I have the Nude Sticks Nude Buff Nudies Matte Luxe. which is just kind of like a really nice, like neutral color. I'm just gonna like rub it on my ring finger, kind of do this. And then place it on my cheeks, up on my cheekbone. I guess I'm doing kind of like fingers. I was like, I don't like applying my makeup with fingers, and now I'm like mostly using my fingers. Do I want more? I kind of want more. Like right here. In a cute way, you know? Kind of looks like a sunburn, I don't know. Yeah, I'm like mostly gonna use my fingers. I wanna use Auric. This is Defiance, which is like my favorite. So I'm gonna use the cream first. I'm just gonna pick it up again with my fingers. I'm literally just gonna go in with both at the same time. So I'm just gonna kind of like do this. So it's relatively even. And then I'm just going to pat this starting on the outside of the lid. Kind of blending it into my crease. And then slowly bring like whatever's left over into the inner corner, but not all the way. Siva, that was loud. I'm just kind of patting up and out. I love this color because it kind of looks like an extension of my dark circles. You know, like it looks like the color of my dark circles already. I'm just kind of like reallocating that color. It also has a really nice shimmer to it. And then I'm gonna pick up the topper. And I'm just gonna place it right in the center of the lid. And then kind of just like diffuse it up. Just to really like add a little dimension and open up the eyes. Okay, for highlight, I'm gonna use this one from Keys Soul Care. This is in the shade Transcendence. It's a really nice neutral cream highlight. It's pretty sheer, so it's like relatively flattering on most skin tones. It has like a really nice neutral tone. It's not like too pink or too peachy. I'm gonna place this at the top of my cheekbones. I'm gonna take it just underneath my eyebrows, so just kind of like in that C shape. It has like a very natural glow, and it's not as wet as you might think. Sometimes cream highlights are just like very wet. Brows, I'm gonna use About Face. This is the taupe pencil, and all I'm really gonna do is kind of like focus it at the very like middle to tail of the brow. Kind of just wanna like balance the fill because my, you know, brows are much darker here. I'm just gonna run spoolie through the whole thing just to kind of like diffuse the color a little bit. Make sure there aren't any like, you know, patches. And then to set my brows, I'm gonna use the Refi. I don't even remember what this is called. This stuff. It has like a brow setter gel type thing, which I'm gonna run through my brows. But I want to keep the shape relatively natural. I'm not doing soap brows today. Clearly, I'm not using soap. And then it does have, when you pull it out, it has like two little brush comb type things that you can use to kind of like brush your brows and set them. All right, and then another trick that I really like to do is use my brow pencil around my eyes. So I'm gonna use that just to add a little definition to the outer corner of the lower lash line. I'm just gonna blend that with my fingers. Siva, what are you doing? I'm gonna curl my lashes with Refer. And then I'm using my new Clio mascara. This is the Kill Lash, but it's the brown one. This is in, what color is this? Cocoa brown? Especially when I'm trying to get ready quickly, I usually just do my top lashes. I think just like, it makes it look finished and it gives like a nice lift to the eyes. And I kind of feel like daytime, I don't want to deal with lower lash mascara. I just don't want to. I think this does enough for me. For my lips, I'm gonna go in with Maybelline Gone Greige, and I'm not gonna sharpen the lip liner. I'm just gonna do like a really light fill around the edges, just to kind of give them a little bit of definition. I'm gonna pat that out so it's a little diffused. And then I'm gonna finish it off with, I love this so much. This is Tarte Lip Plump, the Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump. What shade is this? It's so shiny, it's hard to see. Is there a color? Oh, I think it came off. The sticker came off, but it's like this color. It's like a really, really pretty, just like kind of cool toned, kind of a pinky purple color. And this formula is like so hydrating, it's insane. If you don't love any of the colors that they have, I highly recommend I mean, I love this one, but highly recommend just getting the clear one. It's amazing. All right, guys, that is like what I would essentially do for like a quick on the go makeup, like want to look done, but not overdone. And also like, it's just super fast and easy. One thing that I would probably do like at this point is kind of just assess, like, do I want anything else? Do I want to up anything else? Depending on like how much time I have. I do want to put a little bit of that Peas Soul Care in my inner corner, just for like a little bit of extra glow there. I'm using my pinky. I kind of want to add a little bit more definition right there. So I'm gonna grab that julep thing again and just kind of like build it up and blend it out. Yeah, I just wanted like a little bit more smoke up there. All right, and now that my brows are dry, again, I'm gonna go in and do a little refining. For everyday looks, I am still using brow pencils to contour, just in case you were thinking that that was just a phase or a trend. I still do it all the time, especially for my nose. You know what, maybe I will hit my bottom lashes just a teeny bit on the outer corner. All right, guys, that's it. I literally just wanted to do like something that is like quick and pretty, that is going to be very easy, something that you could like do in the car really quick or something, or in the bathroom at work. So like very minimal. I actually ended up using like what, 2 brushes? They're essentially like not even necessary really. Like if you could just use your fingers, that's totally fine. One theme that I always go for, especially when you're doing something quick and easy, is to just kind of like use multiple products for multiple things. So like the contour color, using it for like my eyeshadow, my jawline, putting the bronzer in like certain places, using my eyebrow pencil for my eyes, or to contour my nose. You know what I mean? Things that are just like quick. You could also just like use your blush for eyeshadow. That's always going to make things like the easiest. Also sticks are just like travel friendly, and creams are just easy. Yeah, I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you want to see more like quick get ready with me type looks, especially if you want to see something different. My typical go-to is like this kind of a smoky eye, because I think it's just like pretty, looks defined, but it's not complicated. But I can do something maybe a little bit more fun. Just let me know. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this in natural light. I know that a lot of you guys like it. The only thing that like bothers me is that the like distortion of my phone filming makes things it just looks like fisheye. Like I swear my nose is not this big typically. All right guys, thanks for watching. Hope that you enjoyed, and I'll look forward to your feedback. I actually do have places to be, so I gotta go. Bye.